Okay, guys, we're in week 3. We're working on chemical formula. So we are building off of what we've learned about chemical bonds. And sorry, ignore my son in the next room. Hopefully he's not in the video. Um, so this is what's contained in the assignment and what you're responsible for. I've made changes to streamline things. We are doing a POGIL this week. People have to catch up on some other work, and I wanted to build on what you guys learned last week as well. So spend some time reviewing last week's work when you get it returned if you have any questions, and take a look at the POGIL. Remember, stop in my office hours if you have any kind of questions on what's going on. That should be it. There's no rubric. There's a checklist. This is what you're turning in. You can, if you need to draw Lewis dot structures, if any of the questions ask you to do that, and you can't do that electronically, do it on some scratch paper, email or upload an image. If you're going to email it to me separate from the assignment, just make sure it's kind of clear in the subject what it goes with, which week, which assignment it goes with, so that it's clear to me. Some of this is review, like we talked about these Lewis dot structures, and there's a separate lesson video to explain some of the new things that you're going to be working on. Don't skip the lesson video, please. So you know what you need to do. Just in case some of you are going to skip it, which you shouldn't. Remember, when you're filling in chemical formula, you're giving me this column of the model, okay? All right. Hopefully this week goes a little smoother for you guys. And those changes to the Google Classroom make sense. All right. Thanks, guys.